This poem titled Journey of Resilience, Pursuit of Knowledge. In the hassle of the day, they strive to learn, balancing books with duties to discern. From dawn to dusk, they push ahead, aiming for success where dreams are led. Tasks aplenty, they deftly manage. In classroom and offices, they engage. Late night studying under a gentle glow, seeking knowledge row by row. For in life journey, you'll find a spirit resilient, one of a kind. With every challenge, they'll learn and grow in the busy rhythm of life ebb and flow. Through challenges faced, they stand tall. With determination, they give their all. In dance of life demands, they play, aiming high each and every day.